Okay, now we're coming off the elevator, second floor, going to our room, and these signs are throughout the hotel. We'd like to offer you a warm welcome as the situation around novel coronavirus COVID-19 continues to evolve. We are doing everything we can to ensure your travel safety. Out of an abundance of caution, we will be minimizing the frequency of our services to our rooms. So they're only having room cleaning service if you request it. So the hallways are very modest and in good condition. So let's go to our room and check it out and see what it's like. Okay, there's the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. And now here's our room. And it's a beautiful, spacious room here at the Hilton. Two double beds, queen beds, and a nice chair and desk. Big widescreen TV, ice bucket, coffee maker, mini fridge, safe, coat hangers, ironing board and iron, extra pillow, and a beautiful view of the nursery right next door with the beautiful ceramic pots that they sell out back. A couple of them we saw at the front desk area, the hotel lobby, and out front in the driveway. There's a very slim view of the pool, the hot tub, and the pool is just beyond that. There's some more beautiful pottery from the nursery next door. And that's about it. And I'm very pleased with this nice, clean, and quiet hotel room.